Morning guys, Dave here, Ceramic Pro San Diego. Just finished up with this 2020 Tesla Model Y. We did center prep on it. The lady had just picked the vehicle up. And then the first thing she wanted to do was get that front end protected with Ceramic Pro Kavaca paint protection film. So we did a full front, custom install. So seamless, no lines, all tucked. And we topped off the car with a Ceramic Pro Gold package. So 4 layers of base coat, layer of top coat, all the paint, the plastics, the glass, the faces of the wheels. Pretty much everything on this car is protected and ready to go. Make it easier to clean, and then she doesn't have to worry about them rock chips on this white car. So thanks for watching. Enjoy.